start doing it. So that's
Yes. Yes. And your people gave. Oh, that's yes. I was going to say they gave me a gift when I met them at in Chinchin.
yes.
Last weekend they had a program and I attended and they gave me spicy like suya powder. Like suya powder.
Yeah.
That's the challenge now. Whenever they got that. So he
We call it fong pepe. Fong pepe.
Yes.
So it's
fong like the background.
Are you from Suriname?
No, but it's tasty too. It's salted. It's very. It sounds like sugar powder.
What is it? Yeah, they can taste salt when we finish.
Right, when you're done, we'll come back.
I'm doing the rice or jollof rice over here. Rice now and I will granite rice. That's more expensive. Yes. And that is pindali. See, this one is chewel pepper.
Masus. And we have one more type. She will definitely speak to you. This is plantain.
Right.
Mixed with peanuts. Yes, we call it afada. Afada. And that is how it looks.
Okay.
So we use this spoon, calabash. When they fled slavery, they saw calabash there, so they use a lot of calabash.
Right.
We were using, and this is you call it when you come to Suriname, you have to
It's very crunchy. It's drier than ours.
and
Very,
this,
very crunchy.
look at this. You put salt, will not allow you, and I love to eat with my hand. So maybe she can taste.
You see, like a top. In fact, not like a top, I said top. Just like it's right.
Oh yes.
Just
Let them try. Oh, it's fun to try. That's why we put it. And I want
You can try the fresh one.
it's all about
Ghanaian food?
Ghanaian food. Ghanaian food.
we call it afada.
So they've got a copyright of Ghana.
Well, it's from same family,
Yeah.
which is what this festival is about. I want us to know that we're the same people. It doesn't matter where we live. I lived in Trinidad and Tobago. I used to go there for 6 years. So I know their culture. And I said, there's contomé here, there's cocoyam, there's yam. So what is it that makes us so apart? I want food to be the reason why we come together. Also the same people.
Okay.
Even in Mexico and Colombia, they have, that's what we call Afro gastro. They have African descendants there. They also took the culture there, so their food looks like ours. You see? Yeah. So you can go there and work. Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you.
I've used this, so you don't want to put it back there. Thank you so much.
I mean, no, Pekasao. Ambassador. You have a common food that you have a common African culture. Mexico.